friends, welcome to Cristy's home. Today we are going to make butter naan. Ingredients we need: half kg maida, add 1 cup curd, one tablespoon baking powder, salt as per taste, sunflower oil 1/4 cup, sugar, mix it. Add water in batches. Knead it. Apply some oil on the dough. Two hours rest. After 2 hours, knead it again. Soft dough. Make small balls. Roll it. Stretch. Slightly stretch it. Spread coriander leaves. Roll it. Apply water on the other side. Apply all over the naan. Use iron tawa. Keep the naan water side down on the tawa. See, our naan is puffing up. Flip and turn to flame. See, our naan turns to golden brown color. It's done. Scrape the bottom. See both sides. It cooked perfectly. Apply butter. Butter is my favorite thing. Our yummy and perfect butter naan is ready. Repeat the same process. Let's check our naan. So soft. See the butter on the top. Thank you for watching this video. Our next recipe is Matar Paneer. Till then, bye.